Alrighty guys, this is your boy D over here at D's Garage in the city of Corona. Here we got this beautiful 2021 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon edition. We finished, let's listen to this. Woo, that thing fires up nice. Pretty loud too. Anyways, this is the Rubicon edition. This is the 392, the big Hemi V8. Nice. I'm gonna run you guys down on what we did on it here at D's Garage. So one of the things we do here is window tint. So on this Jeep Rubicon, we added our 20% ceramic film all the way around. 20% on top of the factory shade that the Jeep comes with, which is a 15%. We applied our 20% on top of that. Looks really good. Like I said, it's that 20% all the way around. Another thing we also did to it was install the full complete sound system. This one came with the original upgraded Alpine system from the factory. I won't lie, it sounded okay, but it wasn't good enough. So we upgraded everything on it except the radio. So let me start off by saying what we replaced. We changed the top speakers, bottom speakers on both sides using Alpine Type R. We did components up in front. On the rears we did 6.5 coaxials Alpine Type R. We installed the 5-channel Alpine amp, which is the Model X, which is down here, along with the audio control epicenter. Nice and clean, professionally installed. Now this came with the original factory upgraded system, like I said. This is the sub for it, and it sounds okay, but it's not good enough, like I said. So we added the Alpine 12-inch Type R. Really good sub. This is the 392. So it sounds really good. Let's go ahead and do a test. Right now it's on a remote start, so the amp's not on. Alright, so let's hear the speakers first. The highs sound really good. Let's open them up so you can hear them. Alright, now let's turn up and let's hear that bass, baby. Bass, bass, bass. That's not even all the way up. Yeah, that sounds really good, guys. It's ready to go. If you guys are interested in any of our services, make sure to contact us here at D's Garage in the city of Corona. Perfect. Let's go. Oh. This is the location here. Got a couple other jobs that are done as well. Full sound system on this one too. Let me know if I can help you guys out with anything. Monday through Friday, from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. by appointment only. This is the whole setup we did. Boom.